If you think Amazon is all about weird gadgets and cheap finds, think again. These products are now ruling sales charts. People are eager to purchase these problem-solving gadgets, which range from powerful tiny tools that replace large equipment to smart everyday items that make life easier. In this video, we put down the top 5 items that will sell insanely well on Amazon in 2026. Some of them are so small that you may underestimate them at first. But when you see what they are capable of, the game changes totally. Whether it's cleaning, driving, emergency repairs, or even dessert making, each product adds something unexpectedly beneficial to the mix. Number 5. Wolfbox MegaFlow 50. The Wolfbox MegaFlow 50 is one of those compact cleaning tools that feels surprisingly powerful the moment you turn it on. It's powered by a high-speed motor that can spin up to 110,000 RPM, which means it produces a powerful, focused airflow capable of blasting dust out of tight locations such as keyboards, computer vents, car interiors, and even small household corners. The 3-speed adjustment makes it more versatile since you are not limited to one intensity. You can go light for fragile devices or ramp it up for heavier dust buildup. In everyday use, it seems quite light and easy to handle, weighing less than half a pound. Its portability makes it easy to transport around the house or even outside, and the attached lanyard adds a charming touch for hands-free movement. It also has several nozzle adapters, which allow you to direct airflow more accurately depending on the cleaning task. One of its most significant advantages is that it is rechargeable and reusable, so instead of constantly purchasing disposable air cans, you have a long-term cleaning option. Another useful feature is the quick Type-C charging, which takes only a few hours and allows it to run for an extended period of time, depending on the speed option. It's powerful for its size, portable and versatile, with numerous nozzles and changeable speeds. The rechargeable design makes it more environmentally friendly and convenient over time, making it ideal for electronics and automotive cleaning. It can become noisy at higher speeds, and like most tiny air dusters, it is best suited for surface dust rather than deep or tenacious filth. Also, for really extensive cleaning chores, you may find yourself recharging more frequently than anticipated. Number 4. Andoury Car Phone Holder. The Andoury Car Phone Holder is intended to feel more like a high-end, no-frills driving companion than a basic phone mount. What immediately strikes out is its highly powerful magnetic system, combined with a heavy-duty vacuum suction base. When you connect it to your dashboard or windshield, it locks in tightly and stays put even if the road becomes rough or you strike a big bump. The magnetic hold is strong enough to keep your phone firm without wobbling, but it also allows you to quickly snap it on and off when necessary. Another notable feature is its adaptability. The 360-degree rotating base and adjustable dual-axis arms allow for effortless switching between portrait and landscape orientations. So whether you're using GPS, taking calls, or following navigation apps, you can always adjust the angle to your liking. When you're not using it, the folding design allows it to shrink down and stay out of the way, leaving your dashboard looking neat rather than cluttered. It also addresses practical issues such as heat management. The open circular shape promotes airflow around your phone, which can assist in preventing overheating during lengthy journeys or intensive GPS use. This is especially useful if you're using your phone for extended navigation and charging at the same time. Extremely powerful suction and magnetic hold, excellent stability even on uneven roads, highly customizable viewing angles, and simple one-handed installation. It also supports a wide range of iPhones and MagSafe compatible devices, as well as non-MagSafe phones via an adapter. Because of its powerful suction system, removing or repositioning it may require more effort than simpler mounts. Furthermore, its robust construction makes it significantly thicker than standard clip-style holders, so it may not be suitable if you like something ultra-minimal or lightweight. Number 3. Woobin G5 Rechargeable EDC Flashlight. The Woobin G5 Rechargeable EDC Flashlight is one of those modest everyday items that seems far more powerful than its size suggests. It's meant to fit neatly into your pocket or connect to a keychain, but once activated, it produces up to 400 lumens of intense, focused light that may travel a startling distance. This makes it handy not only for routine duties, but also for outdoor activities such as camping, trekking, and even unexpected home power outages. What really sets it apart is its dual light system. The main white LED has different brightness levels, so you can choose whether you want a delicate light or full brilliance. The RGB side offers a creative and functional touch with 7 different colors and flashing modes for signaling or emergencies. It's the kind of feature that elevates it beyond just a flashlight and transforms it into a compact multi-purpose illumination tool for a variety of applications. The design is also extremely versatile. The rotating head and built-in clip allow you to effortlessly vary the direction of the light, which is very useful when you require hands-free lighting when repairing, reading, or putting up goods outside. Furthermore, the built-in magnet allows it to attach to metal objects such as a car hood or a refrigerator, freeing up your hands entirely. Charging is simple with a Type-C connector, and it boots up quickly while providing a lengthy runtime on modest settings. It is also designed to withstand harsh situations, having water resistance, so it may work in rain or dust. Extremely tiny and portable, with many illumination modes, white plus RGB, high brightness for its size, a magnetic and clip design for hands-free operation, and quick USB-C charging. It's also sturdy and useful in both outdoor and emergency circumstances. Because it is so small, the battery life decreases substantially at higher brightness levels. Furthermore, while the RGB features are enjoyable and important for signaling, they are not required for everyone and may appear as an extra feature you do not always utilize. Number 2. Astro AI LZ Tire Inflator. The Astro AI LZ Tire Inflator is one of those small things that silently become a lifesaver once you have it in your car. Despite its small size and cordless design, it can handle a surprising variety of inflation activities, including automobile tires, scooters, motorbikes, sports balls, and more. Its ability to do tasks rapidly makes it very useful. With its powerful internal engine, it can refill a typical automobile tire in a matter of minutes, which is extremely beneficial if you're delayed on the road or just need to top up pressure at home. One of its most notable characteristics is the smart digital display. It provides precise, real-time pressure readings that are constantly updated as you inflate. That means you're not guessing, you can clearly see how much air is entering. You also get many preset modes for various goods such as cars, bikes, and balls, as well as a custom mode where you may select your own exact pressure. When it hits the target, it immediately turns off, so you don't have to keep an eye on it while it works. Its lightweight form allows it to be easily stored in a glove box or bag, making it ideal for travel. The built-in battery is powerful enough to handle numerous inflations on a single charge, and it even has a built-in LED light with multiple modes for use during nighttime emergencies. Furthermore, it can function as a compact power bank for your phone in emergency scenarios. It is very portable and easy to carry, with a fast inflation speed, accurate digital pressure monitoring, and simple preset options that make it suitable for beginners. The auto shutoff feature increases safety and convenience, and the built-in flashlight and power bank functions turn it into more than just a tire pump. It's a compact emergency tool. Because it is cordless and tiny, it is not suitable for heavy-duty or large commercial tires. Also, like most battery-powered inflators, it may require more frequent recharge if used regularly or on numerous tires in succession. Number 1. Dash My Mug Ice Cream Maker. The Dash My Mug Ice Cream Maker is a fun kitchen device that makes dessert time more personal and participatory. Instead of generating a large batch, it is designed for single servings, allowing you to create your own ice cream, gelato, frozen yogurt, sorbet, or even slushy-style delights exactly how you want them. Simply freeze the provided bowl, add your ingredients, and in a short time, you'll have a fresh frozen dessert ready to eat directly from the cup. What makes it especially appealing is its simplicity and compactness. It takes up little space, making it ideal for smaller kitchens, dorm quarters, or shared places with limited storage. The entire concept is convenience. Everything is supposed to be simple from mixing to serving. You also get 2 bowls, allowing you to prepare one batch while the other freezes, or share the pleasure with someone else without having to wait around. Another lovely aspect is how simple it is to clean. The sections come apart fast, so you're not left scrubbing intricate bits later. It's designed for casual, everyday use rather than anything complex or professional. It's small, user-friendly, and ideal for producing quick, single-serve desserts with minimal effort. The variety is a significant plus. You can try out different frozen desserts like gelato, yogurt, and sorbet. The provided extra bowl adds convenience, and cleanup is delightfully straightforward, making it easy to use on a regular basis without becoming tedious. Because it is intended for single servings, it is not ideal for preparing large quantities for a group. In addition, because the bowl must be pre-frozen, some planning is required. While it's enjoyable and convenient, the texture is greatly influenced by ingredients and timing, so results may differ from those produced by a full-sized ice cream machine. This concludes our rundown of the top 5 devices that are currently selling insanely well on Amazon. From powerful cleaning equipment to smart automobile accessories, emergency supplies, and even a fun small dessert maker, each of these gadgets demonstrates that innovation does not have to be hard to be beneficial. It's incredible how common difficulties are solved with such little ingenious concepts. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and let us know which gadget impressed you the most in the comments. And don't forget, there are always more game-changing discoveries on the road. So subscribe to the LegitPick channel and enable notifications to never miss out on the latest viral gadgets, hidden gems, and must-have Amazon stuff. See you in the next one.